Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on a 2021 Volkswagen Atlas and we are replacing our broken window master switch. You can see broken here, broken here, broken here. So we have a replacement assembly right here. In order to go ahead and replace it, we need to remove this door card. There's a little tab that covers one of the bolts. That's a Torx 30, and we have one under here that's kind of like a twist bolt. As you can see, turn it 90 degrees and it will go ahead and line it up and release it. So let's get those two situated. Once you removed the D30 here and unlock this one, get the flathead screwdriver to the bottom, start prying it away. It's gonna be pretty hard to pry it once you get all the tabs loose and it's hanging like this. You lift up your left corner here, get it out from the cutter here. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove a couple of wires and this cable. Once you have removed a couple of cables, there's a whole wiring loom that goes to the door module. Remove that and everything else comes with it. Now we have it on the table. The easiest way for us is to release those tabs on the side. Gonna need my other hand probably to go ahead and push them all in and apply pressure to push this whole thing out. One side came loose, I flipped it, this end was still in, took my little pick tool, pried it in between to release this tab and just followed it through to release that tab. That allows us to take the whole thing out. When you're putting it back together, then make sure that you properly push them all in and it gets all seated. Okay, now we have this thing out. Now we have to go ahead and release all these corners here to be able to lift the switch out. Old switch is popped out, new switch going in reverse order. In this case we just have to push it in. Important thing is that once you have it put back in this bezel here, go ahead and reinstall your connector and lock it in, because if you don't install the connector you have no room, because there is no room to slide your connector back in there. So now seat the back, push the front in, ta-da. Let's go ahead and take it back to the car. Our door card or panel is back. I'm gonna go ahead and reconnect this loom to the door module like this, locked in. Bring it closer here, back to the door, and now we have this little speaker wire and this cable we have to reconnect. Everything is reconnected. Time to lift the top of the panel and slide it into this top cutter here, just like this. You can check on the side, make sure your clips are aligned with its holes, and then we go ahead and give it a tap all around to get those clips seated. Door panel is seated. In the bottom I found it useful to use a 10mm spanner for better access to this hole, to a 90-degree clockwise, and re-screw that Torx 30 we got. And just like this, everything is reinstalled. Put your little cover back and the job is done. If it's any useful for you, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and see you next time.